This time I'm going to show you how to add WordPress to your web hosting account. While we're at it, I'm also going to be showing you how to set up your own professional email account and have messages that people send to you forwarded to your favorite email address. In my case, it's going to be a Gmail account, since Gmail is the best easy to use account there is. We do live in a Google world, don't we? Besides that, when I do the training on how to make money from YouTube, you'll need a Gmail account anyway. So in order to install WordPress into a hosting account, you need to open up a web browser and type in yourdomain.com/cpanel. In my particular case, it's going to be eBusinessMasterclass.com/cpanel. And make sure there are no spaces and all the letters are small cap. So from our computer, let's open up Firefox and let's type in eBusinessMasterclass.com/cpanel. This is what you should see when you first do this. What you do is enter in your cPanel username and password and then click Login. And this is what you're going to see the first time you do this. What you want to do is click Do Not Show This Again and click No Unfind Thanks. If you ever want this open back up again, you can always click here, but these tutorials that I'm doing right now will show you everything you need to know. So the first thing we're going to do is add an email account to your domain name. So click here. And let's go admin at eBusinessMasterclass.com. Mailbox quota unlimited. Choose a password twice. And create account. Now we hit our back button and we click on forwarders. Now we click add forwarder. Choose the email address that you want to forward. And right here, choose an email address that you're used to using, and I strongly recommend Gmail. Add forwarder. Now you can see all email that is sent to admin at eBusinessMasterclass.com will forward to johnjarvisco@gmail.com. And there's actually a way that you can go to your Gmail account and set it up so that all email you send from your Gmail account will be sent out from whichever address you choose. So right now what we want to do is head back to our dashboard, and again we'll start from here, and what we're going to do is add WordPress to our hosting account. To do this, we scroll down and there are many softwares here that will allow you to install WordPress. Anything in this here area will do it, but this is actually a little bit more advanced. Softaculous is a very popular one. There's one that are in some control panels called Fantastico Deluxe. The easiest one to use if you have it installed in your hosting is WordPress. So click here. From this page, click on Install. Okay. What you want to do right here where it says In Directory is highlight this and delete it. If you were to leave that WP in there, then your domain name would be yourdomainname.com/WP. And this is handy if you want to add directories or subdirectories. But as for your main domain name, make sure that that's empty. Now right here, for site name, what is the name of your website? Type that in there. And for site description, you want to use something here that's keyword related to what your website is about. And for now, I'm just going to put Internet Marketing Training. And this can be changed anytime in the future. You choose an admin username and admin password. And right here, you want to make sure that there's an email address entered that you have. Let's pick this email address up. And before you click on install, make sure you place this here because they're going to email these installation details to this email address. So what I'm going to do is enter in my admin username and password, and I'm going to scroll down and click on install, and I'll meet you inside of the new WordPress dashboard. Okay, this is what you'll see on the next screen from where we just were after your control panel installs WordPress for you. To take a look at your new website, right click here and open it up. Now you can see right here when I mouse over this, eBusiness Masterclass, that's the title that I just chose, and I decided on Internet Marketing WordPress Training for the description. So this is what the website looks like, and this is installed on a generic WordPress theme, and I'm going to get to the themes in the final module here. So to log into your WordPress dashboard, it happens to be yourdomainname.com. Instead of /cpanel, you type in /wp-admin. Now the username and the password that you just picked out goes right here. Before I get into that, let's open up my Gmail account. And you can see right here, new installation of WordPress. That's the email that was sent to admin@ebusinessmasterclass.com. So what I'm going to do is enter my username and my password and give you your first look at the inside of a WordPress dashboard. This is what your dashboard looks like the first time you log in. This needs to change, of course. And the first thing that we do is dismiss this Welcome to WordPress box. You definitely don't want to write your first blog post yet. So click Dismiss. From here we move on to the next section of this course, and that is going to be installing and setting up your WordPress plugins and changing your WordPress settings. All of our plugins and settings will help bring tons of free traffic to the content that's added to your website, as long as these things are done exactly as I do in the rest of this training course. So off to the next session, WordPress plugins.